Hello guys, welcome back to Next People channel. So on today's video, I want to show you guys how to create a full functional volatility index trading bot for MT5. Okay, so guys, this particular video you have to pay attention because after building this particular trading bot, we are going to be using it to grow our trading account. Okay, so how do you create, like I already told you guys, before you start creating an MT5 trading bot, you have to install MT5 on your PC. And how do you install MT5 on your PC? You can easily download that from your Google Chrome by searching MT5. Okay, and you're going to be seeing the first search history here. You can easily get your MT5, or depending on your broker, you can actually get your MT5 too from your broker website. Okay, and if I hit download here, automatically I'm going to be getting this MT5 from my PC. And if you already have MT5 right here on your PC, you can skip this part. Okay, so now our next option is downloading. Okay, so you can skip this part if you already have this MT5. So our next option is opening a MetaTrader. Okay, you can just search for MetaTrader editor right here. Okay, so today's video, we're going to be building an volatility trading bot. Okay, so now click on new file and new file. Okay, so here you're going to be using expert advice for templates, and we can remove every generated code during the process. So here I'm going to be writing volatility trading bots. You already know about this part. Okay, I'll just keep it short and write volatile version 4. Okay, I've built version 5, version 3. This is version 4. Okay, so you can click next. So here you're going to be selecting on trade. On trade means that this trading bot can execute trade immediately you turn your angle trade on. Okay, so now click on next. Okay, so right here, this is a template which you can configure, but this is going to be a trash. So you can just select all, Control A, and clean every code. Okay, so let me zoom this so that you can see what we are doing. Okay, so right here I can decide to code, but due to some novice we have here, we're going to be using AI to generate this trading bot for volatility indices. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to you can actually use ChatGPT or DeepSeek, but due to my own method of coding, I use DeepSeek because it's free and it can take a lot of code and correct. Okay, so we're gonna be using DeepSeek for this particular project. Okay, so you can decide to use your ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Both of them can give you the same result. Okay, so now we're gonna be hitting down on this part. Okay, so now I'm gonna be asking DeepSeek to create a trading bot for, so I already have this on this page, volatility index. Okay, create a trading bot for volatility index MT5. Okay, so you're gonna give it for a while to create this trading bot code for you. And the difference between this particular trading bot is that we are going to be making some changes here so that this bot can be 90% accurate. I've actually paid at least 80% of my capital profits from this particular trading bot. Okay, it works very, very well. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys those changes, and I'm going to be sharing this particular code on my Telegram channel. Okay, so because of the past video, which I promised once is over 200 views, I'm going to be sharing my code every code I have, I'll be sharing down on the Telegram channel. You can just copy and use. Okay. So let's give this a while to code. So as it's coding, I want to explain to you guys why I use trading bots to trade, okay? As you can see right here, I want to show you guys something on my ChatGPT. I could remember when I started trading 2018, I trade with emotion, I trade because I borrow money to trade. I want to be trading with emotion. I can chase the market and I will end up losing the whole capital. So 2020, I learned how to create a trading bot and it helped me a lot, okay? All I have to do is just turn my trading bot on and I go along sleeping or doing every other thing I need to do, other activities like making videos, YouTube videos, while the bots keep placing trades, taking profits, taking loss if necessary. And this helped me to, with time, grow my capital, grow my profits, and the trading bot can easily take your profits once when needed, okay? Take your loss if there's a loss, and this will help you to manage your emotion, leave the market to run, don't chase the market, make more profit. If the market is bullish, the bot will make more profit. If the market is bearish, the bot will make more profits, okay? And if there's loss, the market can adjust and the bots can adjust too. So trading with trading bot, especially one made by AI, is actually perfect. And I'm helping you guys to create this trading bot, teaching you guys how to create it. I already know how to write an MQL code, but due to the new novice we have, that's why I'm making these videos through AI, showing you guys how to create a trading bot, okay, and how to still sell your trading bots. That will be next video. I'll be showing you guys how to sell your trading bots. Okay, I've made over $1,000 from MT5 marketplace selling trading bot that works, not chaff trading bots. Okay, so now all you have to do right here is just to copy this our code. So I'm going to be sharing this code on our Telegram. Okay, so I've copied this. So what I'm going to do here is to just paste and compile. You can click on compile right here, or you click on this, okay? So you can see here we have 0 warning, 0 errors, and this trading bot is ready to use, okay? So now let's actually start this trading bot, okay? So now this is it. So once you are done compiling, I have a question by people asking me, how did they start trading, okay? There are two ways to start trading with your trading bot. One, I encourage people to start trading with a demo account. You can actually register for a demo account and use to test your trading bot, okay? If it works, then you can use it on your real account, okay? So the only changes I'm going to be making on this particular trading bot is just adjust the return is going to be true, okay? It's going to be true. I'm going to be marking this particular and I'll be sharing this code for you guys, okay? These returns have to be true because we have to make more profit once the market is bullish or bearish, okay? Using SMA strategy, okay? So this is all I have to do on this code, and I'm going to be sharing this particular code on our Telegram, okay? So now, how to test this trading bot? Just go to your MT5, make sure you have an account on any broker and create a demo account. You can log in. Once you log in, you have to come to this page, shows expert advice. So you can see this is the last bot we created, which is Volatility Trading Bot version 4. You can actually drag and drop to any of your markets, okay, and it will start trading, okay. Mind you, this particular trading bot only works on volatility indices, okay, all the volatility indices, okay. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, join our channel, our Telegram channel, WhatsApp, and if you have any issue how to trade with your trading bots, you can just drop a comment, and I'm always available to answer every comment. Okay, so love you, bye.